Hello everybody, welcome to Neat Physics by Aaron video channel. In today's video, we are going to solve a multiple choice question, that is 13th question from the chapter Oscillations. Okay, that's all. The question is, the displacement y of a wave traveling in the x direction is given by the equation y is equal to 2 pi into 10 power minus 3 sine 300t minus 2x plus 5 by 4, where x and y are measured in meters and t is measured in second. That is now very well. Okay, that's it. The speed of the wave is how much? 150 meter per second, 300 meter per second, 450 meter per second, 600 meter per second. So these are all the four options. How to solve this problem, sir? So the displacement of the wave is given by this equation here. But what is the general equation? The displacement of the wave is given by the general equation y is equal to a sin omega t minus kx. If there is a phase difference plus phi. Normally at times we close it here also. But whenever there is some phase difference plus phi. Okay. Here in this question the displacement is given by the equation y is equal to 2 into 10 power minus 3 sine 300t minus 2x plus y by 4. Comparing the above two equations, we get y is equal to a sin omega t minus kx plus y. This is the general equation. Y is equal to 2 into 10 power minus 3 sine 300t minus 2x plus y by 4. So you just compare these two equations. We get value of a 2 into 10 power minus 3. Value of phi, pi by 4. Value of omega, 300. Omega t, 300t, 300. And value of k, 2. Minus kx, minus 2x. So k is equal to t. You know that the velocity of the wave is given by the formula omega by k. What is omega? 300. What is k? 2. That is 150 meter per second. Okay. You just compare the equation and find the substitute in the value of the formula for the velocity of sound. V is equal to omega by k. You just get the answer 150 meter per second. So the speed of the wave V is equal to 150 meter second power minus 1. Option A is the right answer for this question. Already told you that this is the 13th question that you have seen in the chapter Oscillations. In our next video, we will see question from some other chapter, probably from electronics and communication. Till then, thank you one and all. Thank you.